Hello, my little Buzzbay YouTube friends. I'm not trying to get the face yet. Okay. So, anyway, I'm gonna use my mascot because I did not do to my mascot. Okay. Anyway, I will be showing you them right now. This is like just inside. He's just clay stuff. I didn't know if it's clay. I think. Wait, I'm gonna do my mascot first. Crap. This is like supposed to be like a hair flap, like emo. And then like a piece of hair goes down to here in the front of her. Like that. I did this. These little pin things that people have that says. Ooh, this is gonna be a new LPS series I'm gonna do. This is another one. It's supposed to be like a really bad earring right there. It kind of looks blue. It's supposed to be blonde. Eyeshadow's not good on this stuff. Her fur used to be grey, as you can see right there, and I kind of tried to paint this. I had other pieces of clothes, so I kind of like put eyeshadow on it, black eyeshadow, so it could be like a shirt. I had nothing to do with that. I was gonna make like a little skirt for her. I might. Whoa. This one's name is called Zoe. Changed it to Zoe. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you how I made them. So I grabbed this, and I'm still bad with tablet. I'm still using tablet. I'm going to do a few videos and animations with tablet. So I better deal with it. I'm bad at it. I'm also going to do longer animations. And please tell me how to put music on animations. Okay. Sorry. Let me just put that down. So like roll into a little sausage is step one. Also a procedure, a video procedure. Ooh. Make sure it doesn't fall apart. So make sure it's like that. And then there's wash it down. And then flip it over. And try to flatten it out. Like so. If it doesn't kind of look like a skirt, try to flatten it out a bit more. And keep on doing the routine over and over again. Till you get like a skirt-like bit. Make sure to keep it as together as possible. This is the last piece I have, clay or stuff. I'll just call it clay. Yeah. And then I'm gonna make it this black. You got this. Put black on it. And just paint it like. Here. Okay. I just doing that because it's pretty hard to do it. Let's just do both sides. You can use paint, you can use other colored ones if you find the color of the stuff that you need. But I don't, so I'm just going to use the eyeshadow. So make sure to get both sides. And then place it onto the OBS. Like that. Now if you see still a bit of that color, grab the brush and just overdo it like that. Like so. There. And this one is still worn. Or Savannah. So yeah, I hope you like it. Bye YouTube.